Foam roll, lats, and teres major. If you're an adult gymnastic skill seeker struggling with overhead flexibility in movements like handstands or overhead presses, you should give this a try. The lats and teres major muscles can limit shoulder flexion, so I recommend experimenting with this to see if it helps improve your shoulder tightness. Although foam rolling isn't great for long-term flexibility changes, it can be pretty effective for short-term changes. Adding soft tissue work to the start of your session can improve your range of motion for the duration of the session. Here's how to roll your lats and teres major. Start by lying down on your side across the foam roller. You want to place the foam roller on the bottom edge of the shoulder blade. Reach the bottom arm overhead and aim to keep it straight for the entire set. I find that placing the top arm across the chest keeps it out of the way and helps with stability. From here, position your feet to roll up and down the side of your body with the foam roller. The roller will move up towards the shoulder as you bend your knees. As you do this, rotate the torso slightly by leaning the top shoulder back so the foam roller moves over the shoulder blade and onto the back of the shoulder, rear delt region. At the same time, close the shoulder angle of the bottom arm by reaching the arm out in front of the torso. Then, reverse the movement by extending the knees to move the foam roller down the side of the torso. As you do this, lean the top shoulder forward to stack the shoulders so the foam roller moves across the lats. As you do this, lift the bottom arm overhead and reach it as far back as possible to open the shoulder angle. The good thing about foam rolling is the ability to explore and hunt for tight and sore areas. Feel free to move around and find what works best for you. Spend about 60 seconds rolling the area before switching sides. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.